Howreyan, Hevalno, I am back. I'm back again. Hatmo. Now I've been busy. If you didn't see, I released a new music video. Go and check it out. And for those who follow me on Instagram, follow me. IamHaks, TikTok, Instagram, everything. You would have seen I was in Kurdistan recently making more music videos and vlogs. So they're coming soon. But for now, I'm gonna do what I do best. Kurd Talks. So here it is, Kurd Talks 13. So watch the video, enjoy it, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Her biji Kurd. وهر بيجي كردستان. And if you like this Qazi Muhammad t-shirt, it's available on my brand kurdum.shop. www.kurdum.shop. Hello.
Selamun aleyküm.
Alaikum salam. You speak English?
Ben from Turkey.
Me Kurdish.
Kurdish.
Yes.
Dilara, gazel düştü dağlara, Dilara, dağlar yadı.
I want to sing. I sing. Ez Kurdistanım, boka cihanım, cihim irani, şeri gıranım.
Ağzına sağlık.
Do you speak Kurdish?
Kardeşim Kurdiş derken bile Türkçe aksanın kayıyor kardeş. O yüzden Türkçe konuşmaya başlayan yavrum ya.
What did you just say? Çavay
O iniyor da. Her biji iniyor da.
Her biji.
Her biji. Abi çani başı. Başa gelmez.
Telekvi.
Abi. Ami vanin abi kurte vanin.
Abi vana.
Van abi nişab
Var
dadan.
kani az khazim binerim van.
Dana abi Kürdistan. Her biji Kürdistan abi. Biji yapma. Her biji abi paylaşmış ki.
Başa. Van.
Halki one.
Dibêjin van Kurdistan'a.
Kürdistan abi. Are.
Her biji.
Hi.
Hello. I speak English?
Little.
I am Kurdish.
I am from Turkish. Au. No Kurdistan. Kurdistan not.
Why?
Sorry for my friend.
Say to her, Biji Kurdistan, you are racist, fascist.
No Kurdistan.
Her Biji Kurdistan. Go to
You know,
school.
but
Go to school. Go to school.
sorry, my friends.
Slap your friend. Slap. Slap her. Harder.
I slap harder.
Like harder. Kurdish color, no?
Evet. Yes.
I am Kurdish.
Really?
Yeah. As Kurdim. Why? You don't speak Kurdish?
No.
Çavani Bashi.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Kürtsün.
Kurd. Yes, Kurd. Look.
Nope. You are terrorist.
What?
Terrorist.
Why?
Because Kürt. Dur. Ya ne yaptın? Geç.
I am terrorist. Why terrorist?
Because you are Kürt.
Because I am Kurd.
Yeah.
This is racist.
No. ırkçı diyor. Yeah, I am ırkçı yani.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, bro. You?
I'm fine. Are you Turkish?
Yeah.
What do you think in your mind when you see this?
No, I don't like Kurdistan.
Kurdistan?
Yes.
This is pepper, paprika.
Color Kurdistan, bro.
Color Kurdistan?
Yes.
So you don't like this biber?
Yes.
So you don't eat this biber?
Yes.
Because the color?
No.
Oh. Why? It's just biber.
I don't like because I don't like.
Hi.
IamHaks.
Tachawai!
Başım tıçamayı.
Hadi başım.
Vallahi ma دخلت ورا في الجو والله بالله
Çay لكوي برامن لكوي
مفر بكلي تذكر والله بالله
قربان بم لكوي
يا جاب سكراز فيديو بقرب تخواتي
ورا صورة بقري وين بقرب
اربيجي كردستان
هربجي كرد وكردستان
يا تهيات الجان وجيجر يمني اربيجي قربانا ويبايراغي
هربجي
والله مفر دخلت وين بيشامو والله بالله
بجي برامن بر كيف خوشش بوم
والله
تلكوي
بشتتي تذكر از جموشيمه باكري
تدلي
ابي
مني
يا مخصن
Turkish from where?
İzmir.
Izmir. But I think originally you are Bulgarian Turk?
Yeah, Bulgarian.
So you are Bulgarian, not Turk.
Yeah.
Exactly.
My parents, not me.
If your parents are Bulgarian, you are Bulgarian.
No, I'm born in Turkey.
So this change your body?
No,
Change your blood?
no.
So you are Bulgarian. Hey, what's up?
Harbici Türkiye Türkiye
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Kurdistan no Kurdistan
Biji Kurdistan. Biji Kurdistan. Biji Kurdistan. Biji Kurdistan.
Fuck you Kurdistan
Shush, shush,
no
shush. Wuss, wuss.
Gökdeniz yanadan
What is wrong with you? You're an animal. You're a creature. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
ülke
You-
no Harbici fuck you
Herbiji.
no
Herbiji Kurdistan.
no Turkey
Herbiji. This scares you. This scares you. Hey, look. You scared? You scared?
No.
Ooh, I'm scared of this. Kurdistan flag. Kurdistan. Kurdistan flag. Kurdistan flag. Kurdistan everywhere. Everything Kurdistan. Look, Kurdistan, everything Kurdistan. What are you gonna do? You can't do nothing. You do nothing. You do nothing. That's all you do. He's a Greek guy.
Mustafa Kemal Atatürk.
Yeah, he's from Greece.
He.
He's from Greece. Yunanistan. Mustafa Kemal from Yunanistan.
Hoş Yunanistan.
Yes, he's from Yunanistan.
Siktir Yunanistan.
He's from Yunanistan.
Ya sus! Shut up!
You shut up.
Siktir.
Huh?
Top. Yok oğlum bu yok.
Why?
Bu
You
yok.
scared of this?
Kurdish.
Yes, I'm Kurdish.
No Kürdistan.
This is peace.
Bak
Peace.
şimdi. Peace. Çevresini nasıl yapabilirim?
Peace.
Fuck you. Ama no Kürdistan.
I am from
Kürdistan.
Kurdistan.
Kürdistan no. Kürt okey ama Kürdistan no. Fuck you o zaman.
Ha, what?
Siktir.
What?
Kürdistan. Kürdistan. Kürdistan diye bir-
Shush. Yunanistan.
Fuck you.
Yunanistan.
Fuck you.
Yunanistan. Kurdi.
Siktir git.
Why?
Are you Kurdi?
Yeah.
I hate Kurdish people, okay?
Okay, why?
Because that's a lot of choice. Like
A lot of choice, a lot of bad choice. Why are you making so much bad choice?
because I'm racist.
You're
That's all.
racist.
Yeah.
Racist.
Yeah.
You, yeah? Racist.
Yeah, that's all, yeah.
You happy racist?
Yeah.
Why? Let's see
Because
let's see if you have a explain. Logic. Where's logic? Come on, logic.
Like black people is better than Kurdish, okay? That's all.
Why are you even comparing humans like
Because
this?
they are stupid, bro. That's all.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
Why are they stupid? Come on, if you are a man, you will explain. Let's see if you have a brain. You have no brain.
I don't have to explain.
So you don't have a brain.
No.
You don't have a brain.
Yeah.
We know this. We know you don't have a brain.
Like Kurdish people.
You're all
like Kurdish
brainwashed,
people.
propaganda in your head. You
Yeah,
have no
like
idea.
Kurdish
You
people,
cannot
like-
think.
Laugh at my ass,
What?
okay? Lamau.
You're trying to say laughing my ass off. What? I'm hearing my song. I'm hearing hearing my song? Was you playing my song? Yo, ciao bro. Ciao abçebut.
والله نظام هاي شركتين
Strani min hat now headphone im afçia en tbine wow. Sazaku ezidia amji alaviya zinjan azadiya shikaki horami ema farkmaniya. Ciao ay.
Amına kodumun Kürdü yürü lan.
Whoa. I said ciao ani. What's the problem? Wait, come talk.
Hello, where are you from?
Kurdish.
Kurdish?
Yes.
Diyarbakır.
Yes.
Where from? You from Turkey?
No.
Where?
Where do you think?
Türkiye, Diyarbakır, Türkiye.
No. Where else is Diyarbakır?
Türkiye.
Okay, it is Turkey. Also.
East Turkey.
Also.
Also, I don't know.
You know.
What?
You know. I'm Kurdish. Diyarbakır.
Not Kurdistan.
Yeah, you know.
No. Kurdistan is not.
You know.
No.
So how do you know?
Turkey.
I didn't say.
Yeah.
You say.
No, Kurdistan is not here.
I didn't say.
Turkey.
You say Kurdistan.
Yes. But Kurdistan is not here.
So why you say?
Because I thinking you're support PKK.
No.
But not Kurdistan. What?
Why you associate Diyarbakır with Kurdistan?
Because no, not Kurdistan.
Tell me.
I know PKK and PKK said Kurdistan is real, but don't real.
Okay.
Not
I
not in the world.
I don't support PKK, but I think Kurdistan is real.
No.
So what?
So not.
So your logic is not right.
Ne haber? Setup güzel ama.
Thank you.
How
are
did you
you?
understand? How did you understand me? Oh, I said setup, right?
Yeah, you said set up.
It's English, right?
Where are you from, bro?
I'm from Turkey.
Nice. I'm Kurdish.
You're Kurdish?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. So, you know any Turkish or Kurdish words?
Kurdish, yes, I speak Kurdish. Do you have Kurdish friends?
Yeah. In Turkey, there's a lot of Kurdish people.
Of course, I know. Do your Kurdish friends want Kurdistan or they don't want Kurdistan?
No, actually, if one of my friends wants Kurdistan Republic, how
Yeah.
can I say?
Country.
Kurdistan Republic. I punch him in his face. you know?
Why?
Bro, there is no country called Kurdistan. You know.
Okay, but if he wants a country called Kurdistan, then what's the problem?
He can create a country, but not in my country. You know.
But what if your country was created in his original country?
At least we won some wars and.
Okay,
You know?
so you're saying it's because you went to war and you took the land,
Yeah,
it's yours now.
If they can
But then,
fight with
but when-
Turkish Republic.
but
if
when they try to,
can-
but when they try to go to war, you called them terrorists.
Yeah, we call them terrorists. and we punch them.
So was you terrorist before when you went to war and took it?
In the past, there is no social media, you know.
Okay, so it's okay. Before nobody can see, so it's okay. But now we can see, so now you're terrorists. You see, there's no logic.
Yeah, it's this country. How can I say 21st century's problem, you know.
Of course, the problem is because there you have 20-30 million Kurds in Turkey and they want a country and they don't give the country, so there's going to be problem forever. As long as you do this, the problem will stay. If they want peace, just give them their land, say control yourself, and we are neighbors now. So what's the problem?
No. There's a big problem because can you think about it? Your how can I say, your old people are giving fights for this country, giving for this lands.
No, but also,
Given-
hold on. The people who fought for this land was not only Turkish people. It was everyone in Ottoman Empire was fighting for this land. So countries can get created and you can continue in peace. It's just the same people will live there. They just want to live under their own government and live with their own language. They don't want to be Turkish. You can't force them to be something they are not. You know, it's no point. Why? I don't understand. If you were to die today and you go in front of God and there's heaven and there's hell, and he said, was you a good person or bad person the way you think? And he says, do you tell me why did you think this way about the Kurds? You say, yeah, but we killed them and we took the land. So we won the war. It's our land. And you say, God will be like, why? It's not your land. It's my land. It's God's land. And these people, they live there. They want to live and speak their language. Why did you not let them speak their language and live with their own government? What's the problem? Why should you run them? Why should you rule them? For what reason? It's only for politic reason, only for power, only for... So tell me, how is this, what is good and which is bad? Yeah, if you are in front of God. God will tell you this is not good, bro. So it makes no sense for you to want to punch your friend if he wants to believe in Kurdistan Republic. This is a bad thing.
What the fuck is this bug, man? What the hell? Look at this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Fuck.
If he stays in your house for long, maybe he can say it's his house now, like Turkey. Huh?
Shut up.
You see? America comes to Turkey now and Istanbul, and they attack Istanbul, and then they take over Istanbul and they say, you are now American. Say you are American. Will you accept it then after and say, okay, Istanbul is America and I'm American, I'm not Turkish?
No, probably no.
You will agree that you're American?
No.
Exactly the same reason why the Kurds are not agreeing.
Yeah.
This is the problem, my bro. I hope you learned something from this.
Yeah, I learned some things from you.
Just look at it from a different direction, just different perspective. That's all. You don't realize, but your population is very, very brainwashed. They think one way and they only think this way. They don't realize from a young age you are a child and you're in a classroom and they're saying, look at Ataturk's picture. It's one nation, one language. They are controlling, programming kids. This is literally programming, brainwashing kids. You don't realize it. You will never say you realize it because you are in it. It's like a matrix. It's like a Turkish matrix and you don't realize. But honestly, I'm giving you my honest advice. I never ever met population like Turkish people. They are so brainwashed. And then they say everything is Turkish now. The tea is Turkish. Even the tea was Kurdish. The coffee was Kurdish. But everything was renamed. You see why? Like why? It doesn't need to be that way. It could be so different. It could be so much easier and better and more respectful. I think in my life I'm always thinking good. I don't want people to suffer. I want people to be happy. I want people to smile. I don't want wars. I don't want nothing. But when there's something in front of me and I see the facts, I'm like, but this is wrong. This is so wrong. Why? How can I not defend this when they created something else and we have been seeing pain because of this? This is the reason. So if somebody wants Kurdistan, it's not just because they are a bad person and they want your country, and they have their reasons. They have their reasons.
Yeah, I apologize. I apologize about the punching people who's want to believe in
No problem.
You know,
No problem.
Kurdistan.
Where are you from?
I'm Kurdish.
Yeah, evet.
Evet.
I got it.
Yes. You like Kurd? Kurd good?
Yani. Me.
Kurd good? No good. Why? I'm Kurd. I'm bad?
Yeah, I don't like Kurdish people in my country.
Why?
Because they attack us.
Okay, tell me how did they attack you?
They support genocide.
Who? Which genocide?
Turkish genocide.
Yes.
When did Kurdish people genocide Turkish people?
No, like they just...
Suriyeliler yaptı öyle bir şey.
Hayır kanka, Ermeniler de yaptı.
You are saying many things but you don't give any facts.
No, ya bak.
Because there's no specific thing. There's like hundreds of stuff.
Armenian people like
nasıl denir?
Turkish
Genocide.
people genocided Armenian people. Yes.
They committed genocide. Yes.
Yeah,
and,
Turkish did genocide on Armenian people.
No. The opposite.
No, it's
Hocalı
it's
katliamı.
recognized by the whole world.
Hocalı katliamı.
Listen, what about Ataturk genocide on Kurdish people?
Are you trashing our king?
King. You know Ataturk is Greek.
Our God. No, okay, I don't care. He's our God, okay?
He's your
the
God.
Best.
He's your
He was
God.
the best person ever. You can't trash Ataturk.
But okay, you said to
You
me,
can trash me, but you can't trash Atat.
I will trash Ataturk every day. Okay, listen to me. You said you don't like Kurdish genocide on Turkish people. This never happened, okay? But what did happen was Ataturk genocided Kurdish people in Dersim. What about
Go
this?
king. No, we support him. No, I don't
So you
care.
support Ataturk genocide on Kurdish people?
Yeah, it happened. Hayır, no. It didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
Yes.
It's facts. Everybody knows it's fact.
I'm gonna say every Kurdish people is terrorist, and it's known by everyone in the world.
No, it's
So
not. No, it's not. That's not
Yes,
true.
it is.
By
Yes,
who?
it is.
Who in the world?
there's like multiple jokes about it.
Tell me who. Show me one fact. I will show you facts that show that Ataturk killed Kurdish people. I will show you facts that show that Ataturk killed Armenian people. Facts, documents, history, books, whatever you want, I will show you. You show me one fact that the world thinks that Kurds are terrorists. Only Turkey thinks this.
No.
Okay, show me facts. I will show you any facts you want.
Okay, yeah.
Show me.
He doesn't remember the name, but there was a killing spree there.
Of course, you can't remember it. I remember everything. Why do I remember everything and you can't remember? Because you just basically repeat what the government tell you. You don't know the fact. If Turkish government say to you horses can fly, you will say, oh, horses can fly. If Ataturk say if Ataturk say horses can fly, you will say, yes, my God said horses can fly.
Yes.
So
Yes, if he says yes, then I will
exactly.
believe.
This is the problem with Turkey because you
No,
believe
the problem
that this is the problem with Turkey.
Daha görüyor musun? Bize bak yayına çıksın bunlar, yayına çıksın bunlar, yayına çıksın bunlar.
What are you saying?
Ananı sikerim, ananı sikerim.
Speak English.
Ananı sikerim.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Why? What is wrong with you?
You in kick live.
I'm gonna make you more crazy.
Ananı sikerim seni ha.
now you
vururum
have a
orospu
reason
çocuğu.
to. What's wrong?
Vururum seni.
What?
Kürdistan where Kürdistan?
How did you know it's Kurdistan?
Where Kürdistan?
I didn't say Kurdistan. You said Kurdistan.
You see flag.
So this is Kurdistan.
But where?
So you
Yeah,
know.
Kurdistan.
So you know it's Kurdistan.
Yeah, but I don't see it.
So how you know it's Kurdistan if it's nowhere?
It's flag only. Where Kurdistan where?
There's Kurdistan.
Where?
There.
Where Kurdistan? Is it where?
Diyarbakır, Van, Bitlis, Bingöl.
Oh no, it's Turkish.
No, it's Kurdistan, bro.
Where Kurdistan, bro?
I am from Kurdistan. Where are you from?
You live in Kurdistan.
Yes, I live in Kurdistan. Where do you live?
Where Kurdistan? Where Kurdistan?
Diyarbakır.
Diyarbakır is Turkey.
For us, it's Kurdistan. For you, it's Turkey.
You Turkish. You Turkish.
Oh, never.
But you live Turkey.
I never want to be with Turkey.
But you live Turkey.
I don't live Turkey. I live in Kurdistan.
You now live Turkey.
No, for you.
Diyarbakır is Turkey.
For you, it's Turkey. For me, it's Kurdistan.
Kurdistan where? I don't see.
Diyarbakır.
You Kurdistan?
Yes.
Where?
Diyarbakır.
Diyarbakır is Turkey side.
For you. For me, it's Kurdistan.
I don't see Kurdistan, bro.
I see Kurdistan. Do you like tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee. Do you like milk or yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Burger or kebab?
Burger.
Okay. Do you like Mercedes or BMW?
BMW.
BMW. Do you believe in the independence of Kurdistan?
No.
Yes. Okay. And
I said no.
you said no.
Yes.
Okay, no. he believes in the independence of Kurdistan. Yes?
I don't believe.
I don't believe that he doesn't believe in the independence of Kurdistan.
Okay.
So you believe. Do you like sugar sweets or like potato snacks?
Sugar.
Sugar sweets. Okay. And finally, which is the capital city of Kurdistan?
They don't have capital city.
Diyarbakir. Okay, thank you.
No, Diyarbakir.
Where are you from?
I'm Palestine, from Palestine.
Palestinian. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
I'm Kurdish.
Where are you? Well, Kurdish.
Yes.
Like from Syria or something like that.
Kurdistan, bro.
It's like,
not a country.
It's literally
See,
Syria.
okay, listen. He just said it's not a country. That's like if you tell me you're from Palestine, I'm like, nah, that's Israel. That's exactly exactly what he did, though. That's exactly what he did.
Bro, he's not even Palestinian. He's Lebanon.
I know, but
Listen.
that response to say if you said I'm
talking about.
I'm not involved. You know, I'm not involved.
Tell me, go on. Where's he from?
Listen.
He's Lebanon.
Lebanon. Okay.
You're not recognized.
So neither is Palestine. So does that mean that you say it's not recognized? It's not a country as well?
But Kurdistan to begin with, it was never a country.
The countries have only
It was
existed.
a combination of 4 countries.
Countries have only existed for 100 years. Lebanon was only a country for 100 years.
I know.
So before that, there was no countries. No countries existed. That's when Kurdistan got left out, when the French and the English came and decided to draw lines everywhere, and they didn't put Kurdistan in because Turkey requested they didn't, so they could occupy us, and then that's what they've done. That's literally no, but you shouldn't respond to people like that, because if he said I'm from Palestine and I said that's not a country, it's not recognized, then how would you respond? You would be angry, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I don't know.
He tried to say that we work with Israel. We don't work with Israel. Why don't you talk about Turkey working with Israel?
I'm not denying it, but
every Saudi Arabia works with Israel. They all work with Israel. Why do you always focus on the Kurds? Where is the evidence to even show that we work with Israel? Their evidence is out there. They buy oil, they trade, they do everything. They keep Israel alive. There's no evidence to suggest that we work with Israel, but you decide to focus on that one. Why? Who is the last person
against the Iranian regime?
Israel supported us against Iran. How did they support us against the Iranian regime?
Because Kurdistan is made up of 4 countries.
Okay.
Iraq, Syria,
they attacked Iran. They attacked
Turkey.
Iran. But how did they help us?
Spies, intelligence.
Intelligence. Bro,
Mossad
Mossad is in Tehran. They're everywhere. That's nothing.
Yeah, but most of the spies are Kurdish.
Bro, who told you that? Where did you get this information from? From a Facebook post?
Al Jazeera.
Al Jazeera. There you go. Even in Lebanon, they respect us. If you go to Lebanon and
we don't.
Okay. Go to Lebanon and see how many Kurdish people live in Lebanon. Hold on. Why don't you let me finish? What do you mean?
They kicked out the Kurds. They're refugees.
The Kurds still live there. First of all, our old leader has a statue inside one of your museums in Beirut. So what are you talking about?
I don't believe you had a country to begin with.
What are you talking about? What does that mean? What does have a country to begin with?
It's like Somaliland.
What does have a country to begin with mean?
Palestine
never existed either. So what do you mean?
Yes, they were.
Has Palestine officially been accepted as a country ever? No, it hasn't. It has never been accepted as a country. They tried to make it a 2-state solution.
It's in the Bible. It's mentioned in the Bible.
So Israel's also mentioned in the Bible.
Don't make Palestine involved to this situation.
No, I'm giving you an example because I know he will defend Palestine.
No, that's not even an example. It's a different fucking situation.
It's exactly the same. What's the difference? Tell me.
No, it's not the same. It's literally a different fucking situation.
What's your claim? Your claim that you have always lived there and it's your land.
Yeah.
Kurds have always lived there and it's their land. What's the difference?
Yeah, but my grandfather...
Is it different because it's Jews on the other side and this one is...
No. Bro, the Jewish used to live in Palestine before even the 1948.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So how is your claim different to our claim?
We never talking about Jewish because we respect Jewish.
My point was to him that countries, he keeps saying you was never a country. Countries only started 100 years ago in the Middle East. There was no such thing as countries before that. There was something called the ayalets. Ayalets were areas of control in the Ottoman Empire. There was an ayalet of Kurdistan in the Ottoman Empire, run by the people of that region. Why do you not know this?
Bro, it just different situation. Don't involve it. Don't.
I would like.
Ananı sik.
What?
I'm gonna fuck your mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because of this flag.
What's wrong with this flag?
There's no place, man.
So why does it make you angry if there's no place?
Fucking
What are you gonna say now? So you get angry over nothing.
What?
So you got angry over nothing.
Yeah, I'm angry, bro.
Because there's nothing, but you got angry. How?
There's nothing actually.
There's nothing, but you got angry.
This flag.
You got angry, but there's nothing.
Bro.
It must be something for you to get angry. It must be something.
You are not having country. Your country is Iraq.
No, my country is not Iraq. I am from.
No, Iraq, bro.
I am from Kurdistan.
You're from Iraq.
You are not a Turk, first of all. You may be Turkish by nationality, but
I'm
that's
100% Turkish, bro. My ethnicity Turkey.
Turkish is a nationality. It's not a ethnicity.
No ethnicity.
Turkish is not an ethnicity.
Kurdish ethnicity?
Kurdish is an ethnicity, yes.
Is that what you say?
Kurdish is an ethnicity. Turkish is not
No.
an ethnicity.
You guys are actually Arabic.
Really.
Because
Arabic
say
people...
something in Kurdish.
Chawai Tabashi.
Bro,
Show me where in Arabic. Show
you
me which
speaking
Arabic.
like Arabic. You
No.
speaking like Arabic. You
Okay.
speaking like Arabic.
I will say the same thing.
This is
in
Arabic,
I
bro.
will say the same thing in Arabic.
Your ethnicity is Arabic.
Okay, I will say the same.
Kurdish is not ethnicity.
Listen to me and stop being a little boy. Chawai Tabashi. This is Kurdish. Ma'asalama kifak. This is Arabic.
But look.
Ma'asalama kifak.
You speaking, bro.
Chawai Tabashi.
So just to be clear, Turkish as a language has borrowed words from many languages, including
Nah.
Arabic, Persian, and some European languages over time. Kurdish, on the other hand, is its own ancient language with its own history and words. So feel free to let your friend know that.
No. He's lying, bro. You trained him.
I trained ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm special.
Now you become a Turkish people, bro.
No,
You are Turkish.
I am Kurdish.
No, you are Turkish.
I am Kurdish.
Just accept it.
You
are Turkish.
I will never, ever accept it. Nor do
There's
I
no
want
language Kurdish, bro.
There's no Kurdish language?
No.
But I showed you that it's older than the Turkish language.
No.
Turkish is a new language which was built from languages around it. Do you know this? Why do you not know
Yeah,
this?
Ataturk built it.
Yeah,
Ataturk.
using Arabic, using Persian, using Kurdish, using European languages. So Kurdish is an older
that's
language.
true, but
Kurdish is an older language.
Kurdish, bro. It says, sorry, Indian. You are Indian, bro.
Show me source. Show me any source.
You are 100% Indian.
What are you
You're
laughing
ethnicity
at?
Indian, bro.
You're just making stuff up and you're laughing.
You are Indian.
I can't wait for this to go on YouTube. I can't
bro.
wait for everyone to see you. Oh my god.
At this face, your video, okay? You are
I'm gonna add it.
100%
Trust me,
Indian.
I will add this to my video.
Okay, Kurdish belongs to the Indo-European, Indonesian. Indian, not Indonesian. Sorry, it's my fault.
You reading Indo? Are you reading?
It is
Indo?
really. Please wait. It is really.
It says Indo.
Bro, Indo's Indian, bro.
Indo is not Indian. It's a language group. It says Indo-Iranian and Indo-European. This is a language group.
Hey, şimdi beni dinle. Kürtler Hindistan'dan mı geliyor? Cevabı da İngilizce var.
No, the Kurds are not originally from India. They are an indigenous people of the Middle East.
Bro, they say.
This is so.
She's lying. She's lying.
I programmed your phone, didn't I? I programmed your phone before. Why don't you say, did Kurdistan exist in the Ottoman Empire and reply in English? Go on, tell us this.
No.
Why?
No, I'm not doing.
Do it.
Because this is lying too.
Why do they hate you so much? Why do they hate you so much? Why are they all?
'Cause
why are they lying to make you seem bad?
why you not accepting?
This is why I'm so proud to be.
There is
Kurdish.
no
This
Kurdistan.
is why I'm so proud to be Kurdish because
Hatay, Diyarbakır,
you guys hate me so much for no
Gaziantep.
reason, and this beautiful.
There is part of Turkey.
Kurban evim,
There is
Basha.
part of Turkey.
Kurban evim. You are brainwashed.
No, I'm not brainwashed.
You are so brainwashed.
No,
You are very brainwashed.
I'm not brainwashed.
You are a Georgian guy who thinks he's
No.
Turkish.
I'm Turkish. I'm 100% Turkish.
You said your mom's from Georgia.
Yeah,
So you are not 100% Turkish.
but I'm feeling 100% Turkish. My ethnicity, my father is Turkish,
I feel Jamaican.
and I'm Turkish
I
too.
feel Jamaican. Am I Jamaican?
No.
But I feel 100% Jamaican.
Bro,
I'm done with this
Sports,
conversation.
Sports Club. Why is Sports Club giving
We will see you on YouTube and in the comments. Hi everyone
I
watching
don't
right
care,
now.
bro.
Everyone watching
Just
right
say
now.
it.
Who is the normal
Turkish
one?
is ethnicity.
Is he the normal one?
Turkish is
or am I the
ethnicity.
normal one? Is he the normal one?
Just say
or
it.
am I the normal one? Tell me.
Ey Kurdistan!
Herbici!